Okay guys, welcome to this video. In this video we're gonna create video ads and I'm gonna show you how to create video ads, what main points are important when creating video ads and what's actually working. And in the next video I'm gonna show you some examples of successful video ads. So now we go with the theory. Okay, I've prepared like a little script. This is for you. Okay, what's really important when you are creating a video advert? What I mean with a video advert, if you create your first Facebook ad campaign with your interests, like we mentioned before, you do one campaign with 6 to 10 interests, and then you have your ad. Okay, in this ad we're gonna have our video where we present our product, but it's very important that your video doesn't look like an advert. Okay, that's why we have to create like a viral video that can go viral, people share, so we can reach more people. And how you do it is you utilize short clips, okay, very short clips with length of only 3 seconds, and you make the video more dynamic, so it's not like a very slow advert which is very boring. It has to be very dynamic. Okay, and then what you have to do is you can add simple description to your product. Okay, some details, explain your product in little words. It's very important that your first clips are very eye-catching, because the customer is not on Facebook or on Instagram to view your advert. He's there because he just wanted to see some posts from other guys, from stars. But you have to create a very eye-catching video, and the first seconds have to grab their attention. Okay, it's all about attention marketing. We have to grab their attention. The first clip should be very unique. Okay, you have to have something special. I will show you in the other video an example of that, but in the first seconds there should be a clip which is very engaging, which is grabbing their attention, so they wait and watch the full video. Okay, that's the goal. And after that we present the product, present the problem, and then after we have presented the problem, we have showed them the problem, now we show them and present them the solution. Okay, and after that, after we have explained the customer this problem he has, and then we have presented our solution, in the end we have to do our call to action. Call to action means we have to say what to do now. Okay, and what's actually the goal? We want to let them buy the product. So what we have to say is like only 50% offer today, or only free shipping today. So they act now, they buy today, and if they not buy today, they gonna miss this offer. That's the goal. So where you get your clips? So what are actually the sources? I get my clips from YouTube. Okay, simply put the product name on YouTube and then you can find some clips. Facebook ads, okay, but don't use Facebook adverts from another big companies. Just use little advertisers like dropshippers. But it's very important that you don't copy a video or an advert, because then you violate the copyrights, then you will get in some troubles. That's why you have to create your own video. Just put different clips, different perspectives from YouTube, from Facebook ads, and put them in one video. Just cut out some clips of every video and then put them in one video. Okay, short little clips. What you can also do is use some influencers. Okay, if you are selling a beauty makeup, then you can ask an influencer, or maybe an influencer has already tested the product, so you can message her and tell and ask, can I use your video? Okay, or the last option would be you create your own clips, but there's the problem, you have to wait like 2 weeks that the product comes to your home, okay, from China, and that's like taking a long time, because we want to be fast. So how do we go on, okay, with the creation? So I personally use the software Camtasia, or in short, Camtasia is a bit costly, but you can use InShot for free. Okay, what we have to do is we just have to select the clips, put them together. We make sure that we have different perspectives, not only one perspective, so we have different persons using the product. In the background we do no copyright music. We don't want to get problems with any copyright stuff, so we make sure the music is no copyright, and then after you have created the video, the duration should be between 30 to 50 seconds. I would not create a video which is like 2 minutes because that's too long. It should be dynamic, as I told you before, and very fast. So yeah, in the next video, I'm gonna show you some examples of successful video ads so you have a better picture. See you. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you some examples of successful video ads which have generated over $100,000 revenue, so you can take a better view and you have a better picture of what actually works, because the most successful people even say you don't reinvent the wheel, you should model what's working. So now let's see what others are doing so we can model. Okay, I'm doing this sound off. Okay, this one is a flashlight. It's not the usual one. It's something, a light with super bright light. Okay, so it has different functions. Okay, so as you guys can see, the first seconds, okay, like you can see, it grabs the attention, because with just one little torch you can do so much brightness. Then a customer or a user of Facebook or Instagram thinks, oh my god, I need to check up this product. Okay, what is this actually? Okay, then he watches the video, and here, after they do this praxis, then okay, the first second, then here you can see they install or repair or show the product. Okay, put the batteries in, and then they go on. Okay, now they show more functions. Okay, this clip is very powerful. Look at this. Okay, if you're a customer, you think, oh my god, I need this in the winter because it's getting very dark and you need a torch. And if you need a torch, then you need this one. Okay, look at this advert, this ad copy. This is what's called ad copy. You can see a lot of emojis. That's what's working. Okay, 20,000 lumens tactical flashlight, 40% off. 1 second illuminated the entire village. Okay, amazing super bright flashlight. Get yours here. Telescopic. Here's the link, the call to action. Get yours here. And as you guys can see, 30 million views, 140k likes. Okay, that's a lot. They made a lot of money with this one advert. It's just a simple advert of 28 seconds. Yeah, simple ad copy with a lot of emojis and with a nice slogan. 1 second illuminated the entire village. Okay, that's very grabbing the attention. So now let's look up to another advert. So this is a dog product, even more views, 67 million views. Okay, let's see about this. Okay, like you can see here, you can see what I mentioned with the small descriptions. Okay, the product description: small dogs love it too. No more choking, no more pulling. Okay, today only, call to action. Okay, very short video, 20 seconds, goes on off in 2 seconds. Okay, first they show the product. Okay, it's like a problem solver for every dog owner. Small dogs love it too. No more choking, no more pulling. Okay, today only. It's very simple, it's very short, but it's working. Last day for 50% off sale. Love your dog, but hate harnesses that are hassle to put on. Okay, they are focusing on the problem. Okay, they are presenting the problem, and now here they are presenting the solution. Easy on, easy off, fits all breeds, and so on. Okay, get it here. Then the link, that call to action, 67 million views. Okay, made a lot of money. So now let's go on with another type of product. It's a watch. Okay, it has 3 million views, September 9 launched. Okay, it's a watch. It's like a Galaxy watch. Okay, women go crazy after this kind of product because the video ad is very powerful. Women think if they see this video, oh my god, I need this product because it's so unique. You can't find this type of product anywhere else. That's why it's working, okay? Super easy. So now let's look up to another dog product, okay? That's a dog toy. Well, see how long this lasts, okay? It's like a little comedian advert, but it's working. 2 million views. The engagement 15 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours. People are buying it. How to keep your dog busy for hours, okay? With this love smiley, get this toy, call to action. A very short video, very simple. Okay, these are like the videos which are working. Keep it very simple, follow the script I'm providing you in the last video, and then that's all, yeah. And the ad copy should be very simple with some emojis, call to action, get this toy with the link, and that's it, guys. Okay, see you in the next video.